Hey guys, what is up? I'm back again with another unboxing of the Alienware 510H 7.1 gaming headset. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so let's quickly take this the headset out of the box. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna cover the what it looks like. 360. I'm gonna give you out 360 more times, and its specifications. And in the end, I'll tell you my thoughts, what I think about it. Is the price, is it worth it or not? Okay, so that's it. As you guys can see, it comes like this. The package is, I think it's very, very beautiful, to be honest. Aside the box being so big, when I saw it, I was kind of, what was that? But and I think it's okay, it's so beautiful. So here it is. The specifications we have 50 millimeters high resistance drivers, right? And it comes with the 7.1 surround sound with USB connection. It has that leatherette hybrid memory foam ear part, which is very, very great. When it's around your ears, you're not gonna listen to any other sound, your surroundings. I think it's perfect. You understand? It includes detachable USB cable, with DAC and 3.5 millimeter cable. You understand? And it also comes with another cable with 1.5 millimeters. You understand? And the weight is 370 grams, which is kind of heavy, to sit on your head, especially when you're gaming, when you're listening to music for a very long time. I think sometimes you're gonna feel tired. You understand? But for some time, I've used it for like 2 weeks now. I think it's great. Initially, it wasn't that comfortable for me, but I'm getting used to it, and I think it's awesome. Now the microphone is what I'm using, to record this video. The whole video, I use the microphone. I think is great. I think is one of the best microphones I've ever used. You understand? And I think this is my first, I'd say professional headset that I bought. And I think it's great. And the type is unidirectional, and the sensitivity is, I think it's negative 40 dBV, slash PA. I think, and the frequency response is 100 hertz to 10 watt 1000 hertz, which is very, very good. And it's also powered by the Alienware command center, guys. So as you can see over here, I'm gonna give you the word. It has that foam that I was talking about, the leatherette foam, which is very good. It sits on your ears very, very well. That comfy feeling. And you can also slide that down. You understand? And I think it's great, guys. The product, I think, is one of the best ever, to be honest. The sound, the quality of the sound and all that, guys, I think it's worth the price. And over here, the microphone, you can even bend it, and that's an advantage, to be honest. I think it's pretty good, guys. I think it's worth the price that I bought it. You understand?